Hello students, so we have already studied about all the examples of exercise 4.1 of pair of straight lines. Now we are continuing the next points of pair of straight lines. That is angle between lines by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Theorem number 4. If theta is the acute angle between the lines given by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, then prove that tan theta is equal to in modulation of 2 into under root h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Condition if value of a plus b is not equal to 0. Proof of above theorem. Let me take m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines. Two lines represented by the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Represent the equation. We will give equation number first. Then their separate equations are, we know that the equation of a line passing through the origin is y is equal to mx. Here two slopes m1 and m2. That's reason the separate equations are y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. Therefore we find the equation m1x minus y is equal to 0 and m2x minus y is equal to 0. m1x and m2x. Then their combined equation is, we know that the combined equation multiplication of both the above equations, that is we write the combined equation, that is m1x minus y into second equation m2x minus y is equal to 0. We multiply and we get the equation, that is m1x into m2x, we get m1 into m2x square. Then m1x into minus y, that is minus m1 into xy. Then second term minus y into m2x, that is minus m2x into y. Then minus y into minus y, that is plus y square is equal to 0. We will take common y. Then we write the equation. Above equation is m1 into m2 into x square minus m1 plus m2 and xy term constant plus y square is equal to 0. We will give equation number second. Since the equation first and second represent the same two lines, now comparing the coefficients we get, since the equation number first and second represents the same two lines, therefore we comparing the coefficients we get. When we comparing the coefficients, we get the equation is m1 into m2 divided by a is equal to minus m1 plus m2 divided by 2h is equal to 1 divided by b. We know that the value of m1 plus m2 is minus 2h divided by b, and multiplication of two slopes, that is m1 into m2 is equal to a divided by b, plus and here multiplication. Therefore we know that the m1 minus m2 bracket square is equal to m1 plus m2 bracket square minus 4 m1 into m2. We will give equation number 3. Put the values of m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2 in above equation number 3. We have, when we put the values m1 plus m2 and m1 into m2, we have the equation is, that is m1 minus m2 bracket square is equal to m1 plus m2 value is minus 2h divided by b. Its square, that is 4h square divided by b square minus 4 into m1 into m2, that is 4 into m1 into m2 is a divided by b. Therefore 4 into a divided by b. Taking b square common, and we get the value is 4 into h square minus a into b. Therefore the m1 minus m2 bracket square is equal to 4 into in bracket h square minus ab divided by b square. Then it's a modulation. Taking modulation, m1 minus m2 is equal to 2 into under root h square minus a into b divided by b. If theta is the acute angle between the lines, then tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 if value of m1 into m2 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore that is equal to 2 into under root h square minus ab that divided by b and 1 plus a divided by b if a divided by b is not equal to minus 1. Therefore the value of tan theta is equal to, in modulation, 2 into under root h square minus ab divided by a plus b if value of a plus b denominator, that is not equal to 0. That is the tan theta value is equal to 2 into under root h square minus ab divided by a plus b. We will take its remark, that is x axis here, then y axis, and draw a line passing through the origin. Make an angle theta 1 to positive direction of x axis and angle theta positive direction of x axis. If b is equal to 0, then equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents two lines whose equations are x is equal to 0, that is equation of y axis, that is x is equal to 0, and ax plus 2hy is equal to 0, second line equation. Let theta 1 be the inclination of the line, therefore ax plus 2hy is equal to 0 with the positive direction of x axis. The slope of the line m1 is equal to tan theta 1, therefore value of theta 1 is equal to tan inverse m1 slope. Let theta be the angle between the x is equal to 0 and x plus 2y is equal to 0. Then from the figure theta value is equal to pi by 2 minus theta 1. Then theta is equal to pi by 2 minus theta 1 place, put the value tan inverse m. Therefore we know that theta is equal to tan inverse 2 into under root h square minus ab divided by a plus b in the modulation. That is the value of theta acute angle. Theta is equal to tan inverse in modulation 2 into under root h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Conditions of the lines, that were perpendicular lines and parallel lines. Conditions of perpendicular lines is a plus b is equal to 0, that is the coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. Therefore two lines will be perpendicular to each other. Then condition of a parallel line is h square minus ab is equal to 0 or h square is equal to ab. Therefore, two lines will be coincident or parallel to each other. H square minus ab is equal to 0 and h square is equal to ab. Parallel lines or coincident lines. Okay, we will stop here.